When I first saw this house, I called my husband and I said, we really need to go look at this house. I loved it because it was from 1898. We've had a lot of fun in this house since we moved in. The backyard was totally bare, weeds, and there was nothing here. The deck wasn't here, nothing. And I just have always wanted gardens, and my last house, the soil just wasn't rich like it is in Keyport. And I just had so much fun developing this. So in the past 4 summers, I have added every year to different things. I started out with the gardens by the deck, then I added this circle fire pit, which I saw in a magazine and I wanted to duplicate. Plus my father always did something like this with a fire pit, and he was very into landscaping and gardening with my grandfather. And then I added the garden in the back. And I'm just having a lot of fun with everything. I grew up with my grandparents gardening all the time, and they lived on and off with my family. And my grandmother just always taught me you should grow your own food, you should harvest it, and it just, farm to table is so much better. Many of the things also here are from my grandfather and my father, and they've been moved from house to house over the years, like a fig tree, hostas. I have a lot of perennials that I brought with me, and I guess my strategy is just to have it as a place that if I look at a plant, I think of a family member. You know, it's a lot of love back here.